Hello, I'm ETarte, chess enthusiast. This is another in a series of tutorials about features of chess that make it such an interesting game. This tutorial is about using an outside passed pawn as a decoy. Suppose you are white, seated at the bottom. It is your opponent's move. You and he have equal material, besides your king's 2 pawns. Notice his pawns are connected, that is, they are on adjacent files, which gives them the ability to protect each other. Your pawns are widely separated. Your H-pawn is what we call an outside passed pawn. Outside meaning it is at or near the edge of the board, and passed means there is no enemy pawn facing it. So you and he have equal material. Does that mean this is likely to be a draw? No, you can win by using your outside passed pawn, your H-pawn, as a decoy. And I will show you what that means. So it is your opponent's move. I will first suppose that he moves his king to the E file, and then later we will suppose that he moves it to the G file. So let's suppose he moves his king to the E file. So you move your king to the E file. He keeps going in the same direction. Now he must not get too far away from that H pawn, or you can queen it. So at this point, you can move your H pawn forward. Your H pawn now is at the corner of a 5x5 square extending to the 8th rank. And as I explained in an earlier video, if black is going to intercept that pawn, he has to be within that square. So black cannot move to the C file because he will not be able to get back. So we'll say he moves to D6. So you can continue advancing your pawn. Now your pawn's at the corner of a 4x4 square. Black has to enter that square in order to be able to intercept your pawn. So you can force the black king to the right now. Now he has to enter this 3x3 square. Now you can move your king closer to these pawns of black with the intent of demolishing them. So black captured your H pawn. Now he has to try to get back, but he can't get back in time. You can shield your B pawn now with your king and queen your B pawn and go ahead to win the game. So you just used your outside passed pawn as a decoy. Now let's suppose that black, instead of moving his king to the E file, moves it to the G file. So he intends to capture your H pawn. Fine, you just move your king in the opposite direction. While he's capturing your H pawn, you are poised to eliminate his B and C pawns. And black tries in vain to get back, but he can't do it. Again, you can shield your B pawn and queen it and go ahead and win the game. And that's my tutorial on using an outside passed pawn as a decoy. I invite you to look for other tutorials in this series. Thank you for watching.